Alrighty, guys, we are live. Now, I was always planning to get on at 7 tonight, and it's just ticked over 7. I just had a bit of trouble with the streaming software. But I forgot, man. I forgot. Top Step is down. Well, it's Memorial Day in the US, right? So I didn't really pay attention to that. And it says to close positions before 12. So 12 p.m., which is lunchtime in the US, rolls around about 7 o'clock for us here. So 7 p.m. at night, that's right. But look at this beautiful run up. As soon as I logged on, because I got home about 5, so I would have missed this first part of the move. But this consolidation around 4:30 is just a beautiful little run, and it's definitely in line with my strategy. Would have loved to take a long there as a punt for this run, so would have been pretty sweet. But that's all good. Can't get them all. Nevertheless, it's actually a blessing in disguise, because I was only going to trade for a couple hours tonight. Because I've got to work on my YouTube video. I had a lot of trouble finishing up yesterday. I spent most of the day on it, but threw some stuff out where that I didn't like. So I'm still working out my editing workflow as well. So, but anyway, we'll do a quick update where we're at. So where are we starting from this week? So performance stats on the live account, we get a win rate of 49%. It's not great. I want to see it higher, right? But we've got a P&L currently of $654. That's great. Super happy with that. We obviously got this big day that we had a losing day on. We lost like 25 trades in a row, really tight stops, rah. So nevertheless, we'll keep pushing ahead, and we just slowly worked our way back from that. So we had a $150 day, $150, $900, well, 100, 850, and then 386. So that's great. Just keep chipping away at it. That's the most important thing. You see the daily balance curves looking much better. We originally had this little hump up, pulled down, and moved on. So daily stats improving as well. So initially struggled when we got onto live account. We just finding our feet, trying to understand what we're doing. I think we were feeling a little bit rusty as well. I know I first traded the practice account the week before this, just to get used to it again, kept implementing my strategy again, all that stuff. So so the first week was tough. And especially with this big losing day, psychologically was a bit of a challenge, especially with losing so many trades in a row. Whereas I previously hadn't lost that many trades in one go. I know it's possible. But when you look back at the trades I took, it's obvious, right? And it's easy in retrospect, right? But they definitely weren't in line with my plan. So I was getting caught up in the wash. But nevertheless, like I said, we've been chipping away and we've been doing much better. So win rates of 80, 72, 86, and 76. So they're up around the kind of levels that I'm expecting and used to, and that I've backtested before. Heading over to the practice, we've done extremely well over here. Similar win rates, not a lot different. A couple of days there we've exceeded and done very well. We took a lot of trades on this day. Look at that. We took 558 trades. Now I know that's not 100% accurate, because it includes each set of 5 lots that I put in. So that's why it's saying all these extra trades. But yeah, we probably put in 20 trades or something like this. That's probably what happened. And 1900 up. That's huge with the 90% win rate, 90% win rate. So yeah, we're doing well. You can see here, even on this day, less trades, more money. So winner, winner, chicken dinner. We're up 12,000 and $87 on this account. So it gives me an overall win rate of 71. It doesn't make a lot of sense when you look at these daily win rates because they're all above 71 except for one day. So if you were to do the average of all these, it would be greater. So I'm not sure how it's calculating that. And it's the same with this, right? All of these are above. So it must be doing something else, the way that it calculates it across all these trades or something like that. I don't know. But now let's look back at the chart. This is a beautiful run up, a beautiful entry here. Regardless, you chuck all that over to the right. We had this consolidation here for quite some time. You got this rising RSI, so higher highs. And we've basically got flat. We're flat on the chart. So yeah, it looks good for a long. But this kind of trade, like I said, it could go any way, really. It's easy to say in retrospect and go, oh wow. But from here, I would be targeting initially this. So this is our previous resistance we've drawn in, and support. So we'd be targeting that. If the market wasn't closing tonight, we'd be targeting the 19,000 level. I think, how many times have we hit that now? I think we've hit it twice. No, once. So yeah, if we got another tap like this, I'd be looking for another short. I don't know if we'll power through this time because this is all-time highs of the market. So I'd probably like to see a little bit more consolidation around 19,000 before we push through. So but let's see what happens. It's pretty interesting times. And overall, the market's pretty bullish. So any of these entries are looking pretty good. When did the market open? Let's have a quick squiz. 27th. Opened up this morning. So that was the market open. And we haven't really gone too far. We've just done this range. We had the original little sell-off down to 18,830, I'd say. What's this? 838, 840 maybe is the level. But we've touched from this level a couple times now, and we've also attempted a resist. Like we've got shown some resistance as well at this level. So yeah, that's why I've got it drawn out. It looks pretty significant. And then once we bounce from here early this morning, just been shifting up. So a bit of consolidation and move up. So this is a surprising little run before the close, actually. It's a very bullish little run up, with only 30 minutes until the close. So that's pretty interesting. Maybe that reflects some of the positivity on the day for a lot of American traders, perhaps. It's a holiday afternoon. They're putting in some longs before they go. They're seeing this general bullish momentum, looking for a move up to 19,000. Maybe that's what their targets were. Definitely would have been mine. My a guaranteed take profit would have been at the 18,920. So I probably would have taken profit just here. But obviously you can see it's a great one to trail as well. So I would have only gone up to that level. Would have been a great move to be in. Definitely very jealous about it. Let's have a quick squeeze. How many pips that would have been? An interest? 143. Yeah, it's a beautiful move. Beautiful move. With all these blue bars moving up. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. So the only other interesting thing that you kind of got showing here is that you've got some lower highs on RSI as well as we move up. So I'm wondering on the open, we shift back down to this level, some consolidation before we move up a bit more. It'll be really interesting to see. Now looking at Top Step's announcement, positions can be reopened after 5 p.m. CT Central Time. So That'll be 5 hours from now, essentially. That'll take us to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So basically, yeah, at midnight. Might be awake to take a trade, but we'll see. We'll see. Main focus tonight, let's focus on the next YouTube channel, YouTube video release. So we'll get that out. Just have a check. There's no one in our chat having a watch. Probably not. Very good. Alright, guys and girls, it's just a short one, just to go over my thoughts about the market tonight. Obviously no trading because it's closed, and I'm going to focus on getting this video out. I've got a couple of more things to do, not much really, just a presentation, having a play around with AI actually, and I'll bring this over, which you might be interested to see. Let me just go view channel. I've also finished the rebrand of the channel to Calm Trading. I think it suits what I'm trying to do more so than Space Trader. So Space Trader was more of a it was more of a brand that I built up from crypto, and I really like the idea of space, and obviously, you know, aerospace engineer, so I like that kind of stuff. It's cool, but yeah, I think this brand suits me a little bit better. So yeah, let me pull across this AI presentation I was just trying to make, which is the prop firm comparison. This is pretty bad. Like, I thought it was gonna, like, I guess what they show you in the video of what it can do is significantly better, and this is average as real basic. I could have done this myself, and it's actually missing information that I told it to have as well, so I'm not sure what's going on there. This is pretty shocking, to be honest with you. But yeah, I just thought I'd give it a go, just to see if it was a bit easier, if it would make something fantastic, you know, something really cool, something out of there, you know, way out there. But yeah, I think I'll probably create it myself, right? This is no better than a 5-year-old could do, to be honest with you. So I'm pretty sure they could probably do better, with some better doodles. But nevertheless, moving on. All right, team, take it easy. Have a wonderful night, wonderful day, wonderful morning, wherever you are, and we'll talk soon. Let's kick off Tuesday with a nice green day. Let's get it done. All right, ciao.